Hi, my name is Pip. I am one of the characters in Dandelion books. I am going to show you how to say the sounds of the alphabet. You need to say the sounds like I did because this will help you learn to read. You can repeat them after me. Let's have a practice. Apple. Now your turn to say apple. Ah. Now your turn to say ah. That's great. Now we can start. Apple. Ah. Bat. B. Cat. K. Dog. D. Egg. E. Fish. F. Goal. G. Hand. H. Ink. I. Jet. J. Kite. K. Ladybird. O. Monkey. Nest. Orange. O. Pig. P. Queen. Qu. Robot. R. Sun. S. Tent. T. Umbrella. A. Vet. V. Window. W. Box. X. Yo-yo. Y. Zebra. Z. Great! Now you know the sounds of the alphabet, you can use them when you are reading. I'm off to read my book now. Bye! If you'd like to see Pip in the Dandelion book series, visit www.phonicsbooks.co.uk. Dandelion readers are decodable books for beginner and catch-up readers.